So today I want to recap what happened on SNL yesterday with Elon Musk and the whole Dogecoin fiasco on Robinhood. Hi, my name is Mohammed Kamara. Thank you guys for coming back. If this is your first time to this channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate you guys for coming back to this channel, and please make sure you smash a like on this video. So before we start, I want to give you a quick disclaimer. This is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm not here to give you any advice on how to invest your money. We have to say this to protect ourselves, and please make sure whatever you take from this video, take it as entertainment. Do not take everything I say, or do not take what I say and apply it to your financial situation. Please make sure you do your own research, do your own due diligence, and everything I say here is for entertainment, not a financial advice. All right, so while we're done with that, let's get on what happened on SNL yesterday. You know, I think in some ways, Elon Musk actually laid out the formula for Dogecoin moving forward. It's ironic that I have on a formula sweater today by MDG. I have this sweater on because Elon Musk, to me, somehow laid out the formula moving forward for Dogecoin. The price yesterday, as the whole SNL started, was maintaining fine, but then it did a quick drop. And once it dropped, Robinhood crashed. Kind of coincidence, every time Dogecoin drops in price, Robinhood crash. This makes me think that Robinhood actually owns the wallet. A lot of people will actually have been complaining that they want Robinhood to allow holders to take their own coins and store it themselves, because this seems to happen quite often. Every time the price on Dogecoin drops, Robinhood crashes. It was crazy. They actually froze trading yesterday while we were watching this, and it was hard. It was painful to watch as the price drops all the way down from 71 cents to about 52 cents, about 23%, 23%. And this morning I actually checked the price, and it was at 46 cents. I think it's leveling up. If you haven't sold before the whole SNL aired, you might as well consider holding. Now, I'm not telling you what to do. I think I'm going to hold what I have. I don't think I'm going to sell now. I mean, it doesn't even make sense for me to sell because I missed the window when to sell. I should have sold if I was going to sell right before SNL aired, because the price was still up in the 78 cents. I think it actually hit 80 cents. Now, I wasn't expecting it to reach $1, but it was pretty good. As Elon Musk showed up on the skit, I was on my phone and I was actually trying to sell, but I said, you know what? So be it. I missed it. I should have sold by Friday. I don't own that many Dogecoin anyway. I think I own about 5,000 coins. So, I mean, it is what it is. I was in there for the game. I think if you've already been in this, you should have already known what's the risk, what's going to happen. Elon Musk actually was very reserved. Didn't talk too much about Dogecoin. And I think they may have told him ease off on the whole Dogecoin thing. We will, just go with our script. That's what I think happens. At one point during the SNL, they actually asked him, what is Dogecoin? The main purpose of Dogecoin was to get people talking about cryptocurrency as a whole. But as far as real world utility, it doesn't have it. These days, we all communicate through memes, so I'm not surprised. The actors were trying to reference the fact that Dogecoin is pretty much a hustle. And Elon kind of, shrug it off and agree to that Dogecoin, it is a hustle. Look, it doesn't skip the fact that people are investing in this. People trust it. I've seen so many people that has not been discussing anything about investments so involved in Dogecoin. That should tell you something. A lot of people are invested in Dogecoin. They believe in it. It's technically, as they say, the people's currency. And Elon Musk actually referenced that Dogecoin is as real as the dollar. Dogecoin is as much of a meme as the dollar. So that is the formula right there that I'm talking about. Elon Musk has laid the ground for people to start accepting Dogecoin as a real currency, because if you believe in using the dollar, you can use Dogecoin. and a lot of places are starting to accept Dogecoin, which is good for the community. I don't know what's going to happen moving forward, and we'll see what happens. Here's the biggest bullish thing that you should take out of the whole SNL yesterday. Elon Musk pretty much sat on national TV and said Dogecoin is as real as the US dollar, which in a sense is saying that if you have accepted the US dollar in your day-to-day business, in your day-to-day life, you can use Dogecoin. That's pretty much what that is. That's the formula right there. That's one thing you should take away from the whole SNL skit yesterday. I think Elon Musk is going to take Dogecoin, or he's going to put Dogecoin on the moon. Now, I hope he takes Safe Moon with him, because you want to get to the moon safely. So, Elon, make sure you have Safe Moon with you so you can get up there safely to the moon. Anyway, guys, if you own Dogecoin or you own Safe Moon, drop a like down below, comment the moon, or comment a rocket ship. Let me know if you own any of those. Alright guys, while you're on this video, please do not forget to hit the links down below to Webull and deposit your first $100 and get free stocks worth up to about $2,000. And also, do not forget to deposit your first $100 on Gemini or BlockFi and get $10 worth of Bitcoin. That helps you a lot. You know, you can use that $10 worth of Bitcoin and buy more Doge if you want. So Elon Musk did not actually just focus on Dogecoin. He was actually talking about cryptocurrency in general. So he was pretty much telling people that cryptocurrency is here to stay. This is just the beginning. So wake up, guys. Do not get left behind. Again, not a financial advice, but yeah, he was telling people that, you know, it's time for you to accept cryptocurrency. It's here to stay. It's not going to go anywhere. I mean, if you've accepted the fiat currency, you should be able to accept crypto, because it's just the beginning. And look at what happened so far in just short time. 2013, Dogecoin came out, and SafeMoon just came out 2 months ago. Look at the price. I think someday, some way, we are going to hear so many stories, as we've already started hearing, about people becoming millionaires of cryptocurrency. I think somewhere, some way, we will hear people say, thanks to cryptocurrency, I was able to either pay off this, I was able to live some type of lifestyle, or I was able to get myself out of debt. I mean, I'm here for it. I am here for it. I am here for the whole cryptocurrency world, man. Look, we're in it. The world is changing. We all have to adapt. Alright guys, so before I end this video, I want to leave you guys with this. Here's my thoughts. I think we just need to sit back and let the whole thing digest, let the whole thing correct itself. I am hoping that, you know, it gets back to 60 cents. So I don't think this is a good time to sell. Not a financial advice. So I think we just need to relax. Just take everything that we heard. And remember this, Elon Musk and the whole crypto conversation with to the moon. To the moon. We are all going to the moon. So relax. And thank you guys for watching this video. And we'll talk more about the price and how the price is looking. And we will talk some more Safe Moon. So please make sure you hit the like button on this video, and if you haven't done so, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. You know, there are more contents coming out, so I really appreciate you for even being here. And if you watch this video to the end, much respect to you, and I will see you on the next video.